Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we're still bouncing around between these two levels, and just to recap on those levels from yesterday, that's 29,667 and 28,983. Sorry, 28,963. Uh, this is ranging as far as I'm concerned. Oscillators are all over the place, but we do have what's looking like a crossover at the moment. So we did get buyers come in yesterday. It was really a tough kind of day to price just didn't get moving, and you can see we've had a rejection up here higher. We've moved down. We've now got a bit of a higher low. So there's our previous low. There's our higher low, and with an engulfing bar here, but it's not off a level. It's kind of just short of a level. I'm not convinced that that is a bottom, to be honest. And if we just drill down to the hour, which is what we want to be paying attention to, you can see, it was an attempt to cross over and test the moving averages. That failed, and we dropped down again. So you can see the close coming in here with profit taking, this bar that we see here. We've got an engulfing bar there. We've got another engulfing bar here. So line of sand for me is still this area here. That's 29,667. We need to get above that, build a base there before I even start considering looking for longs. At the moment, this is just one extended range, and there are a few levels in this range. And you can see there's a previous swing low, which we have rejected this morning. Yeah, I suppose when you see the charts like this, you're not 100% sure of what to do with it. The wise decision is just to sit quietly and leave it alone. So this could be a continuation to the downside brewing. You can see on the 15 minutes here we sort of flipped the trend, as I said yesterday, but we didn't hold it, and then we rejected it. There was your short entry there, but it was short-lived, excuse the pun. But we pulled back and we've tested this area again. So I would watch this zone here at 29,300, 29,311 area. See if we reject this at the European Open. You'll probably find a bit of a fall. And everything is going to hinge on Euro USD at the moment. So the Euro strengthened quite substantially yesterday against the dollar. And it's going to hit its head-on resistance. That's actually there already. So the question is whether it's going to reject that area. If it does reject, then you can expect the dollar strength, and dollar strength is going to equate to market weakness. So then you would see a move to the downside here, probably to come and test this area here. It is Friday, so end of the week. Big question is, are we going to get a red bar, or are we going to get some kind of a pin bar? So in other words, the buyers come in at the end of the week. So basically what would happen is you've got some short sellers that have been holding short for a while. We haven't really had much movement. We've gone into sort of a range in this week. So those that are holding short, sort of long-term shorts at the moment, may just decide to get out of it, not hold over the weekend. And then you're going to see the buyers come in and capitalize on that as well to try and push us up to make sure that we get some kind of a bullish rejection of this zone to the left here. Either way, to me it's a 50-50 call. It's exactly what's represented here with the sideways price action. Are we going up or are we going down? And often what happens is people get caught on these low ends here because you think it's going to fall, and the buyers step in, drive it up, and trigger stops, and so it continues. Anyway, so for me, I think I'm probably going to just sit quietly. It all depends on your USD. So if the currency pair starts moving, then there's an opportunity. For me, sorry guys, might as well toss a coin here to get a direction. My gut is saying we should be moving to the downside, but the structure that I'm seeing, and be very wary of the support just below us and where we are at the moment. I think it's going to be a tough ask for it to drop properly. So probably just a continuation of the sideways price action today, and we end up with a weekly range bar of sorts. So yeah, not interested in this, so we will be sitting on the sides. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you next week. Enjoy your weekend.